Do you know why FSSAI license is required? In this video, we will discuss what a FSSAI license is, what are its types, and when should it be renewed. So let's discuss what the FSSAI license is. FSSAI food license in India is mandatory for every food business operator in India to improve and oversee food industry operations. The Food Safety and Standards Act of India was established by the Government of India. It ensures the quality and safety of food across various sectors, including e-commerce, manufacturing, distribution, and import-export. Whether you're a food manufacturer, processor, or distributor, an FSSAI food license is required. The FSSAI issues a unique 14-digit number to each operator, which must be displayed on all products. Now, let's discuss the types of FSSAI license. FSSAI licenses are classified into three types based on annual turnover. The first one is basic registration. For small businesses like food vendors with a turnover below Rs12 lakh, basic registration is used. The second is state license. For medium-sized FBOs with a turnover between Rs12 lakh and Rs20 crore, state license is mandatory. And the last one is central license. For large operators, importers, or five-star hotels with a turnover above Rs20 crore, central license is needed. Now, let's talk about the validity of the FSSAI license. An FSSAI license is valid for 1 to 5 years. Businesses need to renew it 30 days before its expiry. Failure to renew on time incurs Rs100 per day. Every food business operator must obtain an FSSAI food license. It is not just a regulatory requirement, but also an important step towards ensuring food safety and quality standard. Need help with your FSSAI license? Bizfoc has you covered. Let us handle everything from application to renewal so you can focus on your business.